I'm Tim Melke with better picks in just a few clicks. For this light setup, we're going to be using a split lighting, where the main light is almost to the side of Abby, our model, and very much to the opposite angle of me, almost a 90-degree angle to the photographer and off to the subject. This creates a very dramatic side. We see light on one side, and it very quickly will fall off, almost no detail on the other side. Let's take a look. There you go, looking right here, Abby. Maybe kind of lean forward just a little bit. There you go. Excellent. 1, 2, and 3. That's cool. Very dramatic. Same thing, I'm going to bring in a reflector, the large reflector. Again, it could be something as cheap as a couple dollar Elmer board. Something like that. Here. Excellent. Split with a reflector. Much different look. And if I want, I could even come in here and I could do a harsher look, move away the reflector, and go to a sockless option, which is going to be much harsher form of light. And because I'm taking off the sock, I'm going to make it a much more intense light, so I have to turn down the light because I'm much brighter. So let's turn it down, about 1.5 stops. Looking here, much more harsh, punchy. 1, 2, and 3. A little more dramatic style between the different looks. So variations that you can do between with a sock, without the diffusion, with the reflector, without the reflector, make a big difference on the final product. For our next lighting setup, we're going to look at a monster lighting. I've taken the main light from being high and beautiful, like typically on a subject, and I put it nice and low, pointed up at the subject. This comes from a lot of horror films that use a low style of lighting. That's kind of where we've assumed, or we are been conditioned to a monster lighting. And it can be a little more spooky style. Sometimes maybe kind of glamorous. I'm coming with the shot nice and low. 1, 2, and 3. And to create a lot of light, there's not going to be shadows under the neck, but it's going to be a different style of shooting.